Hello, we're at Hoof Farm.
Look at them! Oh,
Frances is getting excited.
I'm so excited for the skunks.
It's a quite interesting species.
Thank you. Yeah.
Hello, gorgeous creature.
Danny, he's behind you.
I'm just doing what I do. Oh my god! Oh, you are adorable.
You made a mess.
Oh, I thought he was hissing.
No, it's alright. So this girl here is called Kira. Kira is a royal python. Royal pythons are quite an interesting species of python because they're actually the second smallest. The only python smaller than these guys are a species of python called the children's python. Aptly called because they're suitable for children. They have their nerves working in a different way to us.
I would know, I would you don't.
These guys can't, these guys have got to physically move themselves to a cool area. He is a bosque monitor. Now, bosque monitors come all the way from West Africa, same as the royal pythons, and one of the favourite things to eat would be royal python, hence why I put the royal python back. Now, in the wild, these guys grow up to about 5 foot in length, roughly. The python there that we've got the skeleton of is a lot bigger than Bonnie is here. These guys can grow up to be 20 foot long. Bonnie is only about 11 foot, so she's only sort of halfway through. Right. Now, these guys obviously come from Burma, but they're actually one of the world's most successful invasive species as well. Bonnie here is only 4 years old, so it gives you an idea of exactly how quickly they grow. So by the time that they're this sort of size, not many people can cope with them in their house, so they release them out into the wild. And especially down in Florida, they thrive absolutely fine.
These guys come from Central and South America. They like to live in the rainforest. And you'll have noticed Specsavers was on the ground. Now these owls are very lazy, they don't actually fly down to get their prey all the time. A lot of the time they'll run across the floor just chasing any small animals they can get hold of. And for that reason, because she spends most of the time on the ground, her talons are blunted at the end. She could still pierce my skin if she wanted to. She's got very strong feet, but she's a big softie and very gentle. Very young from Eton now. Okay, now when we stroke first, if you keep her out like that, put your arm round at an angle and give her a stroke on the top first like that, and she will close her eyes. Just be careful when you do stroke her on the chest because sometimes she tries to nibble your fingers. As you can see, she's got an extra eyelid and that comes down, which is like a blue film. That will shut off when they're hunting at night time, so if she's ever going through the trees, it means that no dirt or any sticks or anything will damage her eyes because she can... Okay guys, this is our ring-tailed lemur enclosure. Let me push the door too. Okay, we've got 3 ring-tailed lemurs in here. We've got Count, who's this one, we've got Fang and Julianne. Now when we feed these lemurs, I'll give you a piece of banana and I'll take it just like that.
Don't cram it in just because you want more.
It's big.
Just give it a banana. That's it, as soon as they're finished, they'll come and grab some.
Now, finishing.
Oh.
Okay, they're brother and sister. They're both 16 years old and Julianne is 22 years old. Now these guys are rescues. Unfortunately they came from a place down south where they didn't have an enclosure anywhere bigger than the indoor shed. It wasn't high enough that they could pick their tails up off the floor either. We have some bugs on our hands like this.
Oh god, the bugs are alive.
Okay, well that's different.
And we'll see who's finished first. You're going to finish first? Take your time, don't worry, it's fine.
Oh, he's touching my hand. Oh.
Good girl.
Oh.
That's it.
I want to stand here. Hello.
Do you
No,
guys
I
want
haven't
to
got anything yet.
We've got 5 ringtail coaties in here. We've got Rascal, who's half-tailed girl. We've got Dolly, who's the bright one. Dizzy with the pink nose. We've got Oreo, who's sneaking up the branch to kind of pull your hair. And we've got Bandit down there. Now, if you'd like them to kind of interact with you, if you step right next to the perch at the back and try and come to them, that's it. And Oriole will groom you and give you a good hairstyle. Now, feel free to stroke any of the coaties on the floor. If you crouch down like this, they will come onto your lap and you can give them a bit of a fuss, they're very good. Now, Dolly was the first coatie we got here at Hoof Farm. She was somebody's house pet. And she figured out how to open up the fridge. So she stole all the weekly shop and the gentleman's mum said she's got to go. So we took Dolly on, but we wanted her to have some more friends. So we decided to basically go for a search and we found Dizzy, who's at the end, and Bandit, the big male. And when we went down to pick them up, Rascal was there as well.
Oh, look, he's doing it in my bag. Cheeky little thing.
Oh, he's biting it!
You cheeky rascal. I bet that was called, one's called Rascal as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Rascal.
Ah, you are a rascal. Oh, you got a rat in my bag, you.
Oh, look how big he is.
Okay guys, what we're going to do now is if you'd like to stand up, step through into the little square section and you get to have a cuddle with Oreo. Okay guys, this is Oreo. Who'd like the first cuddle? Oreo, when he was 8 years old, Dolly, who's the bright coloured one, she's his mum. She didn't want him anymore, kicked him out the nest, and because it was getting to winter time, he had to come in the house. And that's why Oreo's so friendly.
He's running away.
When he bites, it's just play. He doesn't like to hurt you, and he does kiss you better if he does. Aww. When you have him on your lap today, please make sure you wear the lead at all times and give him a stroke on his back. If he rolls onto his back, we want you to tickle his tummy, and he will settle down for you. You will probably go to sleep on you, and this is just him getting relaxed. And he's now, Jasper was born on the 22nd of July 2010, and he was hand-raised with his sister Tintin. Unfortunately, Mum and Dad weren't the alpha pair of the group, and they got kicked out, and unfortunately it left Jasper and Tintin on their own. If we left them, unfortunately they would be here today. So when we took Jasper out, he was the size of a golf ball. He got all of his fur, but you can see on here for the first 3 weeks. So it's kind of the critical stage of hand rearing. They had to be fed every 2 hours throughout the day and night for 6 weeks as well on kitten milk, so it's a very long hand rearing process.
Do you know what this is? Oh, Danny! Oh my god, they're dropping out of it.
Oh my god, right. Oh, look at his beautiful face.
Oh my god, it looks so funny. Yes, and he's too.
Oh, licking. Oh, look at him all standing up. That's adorable. A little bit left. Oh, nummy, nummy, num.
Not left for
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh.
Jeez, Danny, quick, no. We should have got 10 bags.
I know. Oh, share. Oh my god. What are we doing? Look at him run.
Oh my god.
Bye-bye, Bambies.
They're going to eat it all. No!
The sheep are escaping.
Right, so okay, we've got...
Throw some out at them and they can eat it off the floor. No!
You didn't notice.
Oh.
I did down.
You can't jump down with them.
Oh! Oh my god, look at him!
Sorry, I didn't mean it. No!
And to give you a good stroke.
Oh! We ain't got the pigs.
What angle?
Can we go in it?
Ish, yeah. Daddy! Daddy!